Hello everyone, this is Prashanth. Let's continue with the last lecture. In the last lecture, I have completed about what are the servers for IoT. So in the part of servers for IoT, I have discussed about the what is the uh, working principle of working nature of a web server and types how many types of web server are available in the market and features benefits some real time example. So these are the things I discussed in the last lecture, that is web server for IoT. So for example, Microsoft IIS, one of the web server, and Apache HTTP server. So Lightspeed Java system, like that we have some real-time web servers are available in the market. So these are the things I discussed in the last class. So along with this topic, server for IoT, web server for IoT. Apart from that, we have another topic, that is cloud for IoT. So what are the cloud? What is cloud? What is the relationship between cloud and Internet of Things? What is the benefits? We are using benefits we are going to get by using IoT and cloud computing. These are the things I am going to explain right now. So before entering into actual content of the class, let's discuss about the just what is the meaning of basic information regarding cloud, then entering into the actual content. So one component that improves the success of Internet of Things is cloud computing. So the basic information is in order to develop IoT, so Internet of Things. So the major backbone of the Internet of Things in order to store the data. So the store the data means compulsory we need some cloud space. So we need some space, that is nothing but a cloud. So the cloud can provide some space to storage our needs or storage our data information, whatever we have. So in order to store in that, there is a space for in the cloud. So the cloud computing enables user to perform computing tasks using services provided over the internet. The uses of the Internet of Things in conjunction with the cloud technologies has become a kind of catalyst. The Internet of Things and cloud computing are related to each other. These are the two technologies of the future will bring many benefits. So these are some the basic points regarding Internet of Things and cloud computing. So next, what are the benefits and functions of IoT cloud? So there are many benefits we have. So among that we have six, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here benefits and functions of IoT cloud. So here it can provide many connectivity options. The first connectivity options, employing large network access. People use a wide range of devices to gain access to cloud computing resources like mobile phones, tablets, laptops, like that. So this is the first benefit or function of IoT cloud. The second one, developers may use cloud computing on demand. In other words, in web service accessed without special permission or any help. The only requirement is internet access. So without internet, we cannot do anything. So with the help of internet, the internet means compulsory one device having internet. Compulsory it based on the some internet protocols. So the compulsory, after connecting only, the device will working according to the internet point. That is the thing. So based on the request, the users can scale the service according to their needs. The fast and flexible means you can expand storage space, edit software settings, and work with the number of users. How many number of, either single user or many user, multi user, whatever, irrespective of the number of users, it can work. So we can store the data, just you can edit the software settings like that. So due to the characteristics, and it is possible to provide deep computing power and storage. The next one, the cloud computing implies pooling of resources. It influences increased collaboration and builds close connections between the users. So this is the point. Next, the last but one, as the number of IoT devices and automation is used grow, security concern emerge. Cloud solutions provide companies with reliable authentication and encryption protocol. The last one, finally, the cloud computing, it is convenient because it get exactly much from service as you pay. So how much? For example, 12 GB of data we are using. So for that amount only, for that 2 GB only, you have to pay. So that is the as you pay, as per use. So for 12 GB of data only, you can pay the payment. So this is the one of the biggest advantage of cloud. How much you are using, 1 GB or 2 GB or 3 GB or 4 GB or whatever, how much you can use. So for that use space only you have to pay. That is the as pay go. So these are the some benefits and functions of cloud computing, cloud IoT cloud. Next, comparison of Internet of Things and cloud computing. Here, the cloud is a centralized system. What is cloud? What is Internet of Things? So these are the cloud and IoT. These are the two different words. By combining those two, we are getting some benefits. So that is the thing here. So here, what cloud is a centralized system handling soft transfer, deliver of data and files to data centers over the internet. A variety of data and programs are easy to access from centralized cloud system. Internet of Things. It refers to device connected to the internet. In the IoT, data is stored in real time as well as historical data. IoT can analyze and instruct devices to make effective decisions as well as track to how certain actions and functions. So based on the historical data, it can predict to the future values. So that is the main thing here in IoT. The cloud, in order to store the which IoT device can collect to from the various resources. So these are the comparison of Internet of Things and cloud computing. Next one, some IBM company, it divides the cloud computing in 6 categories. So generally, as per the previous analysis of cloud computing, so here in cloud computing, uh, different models, service models, deployment models, deployment models, and service models. Here we have two types of models, service models and deployment models. So in deployment models, platform as a service, software as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Service model, deployment models, these three: public, private, and hybrid. The service model, these three. So as per the IBM company, software company, it can provide uh, six categories of cloud computing. Platform as a service, it contains everything you need to build, delivery, cloud applications, so that you need to maintain and buy equipment and software, etc. That is platform. Next, about software. In this case, the applications run in the cloud and other companies operate devices that connect to users compute through a web server. Next, infrastructure is an option providing companies with storage, servers, networks, and hubs processing of each data. These are the three: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Next, to public types: public, open to all. Companies can manage space and provide users with quick access through the public network. Private, it is allotted for personal purpose. Just one person, only one person has the access here. Within one person or one organization or one company, one government, like that. Hybrid, it is based on the public and private cloud. It is a hybrid cloud. So these are the 6 categories of cloud computing as per the IBM. This one. Next, the role of cloud computing on the Internet of Things. So what is the main role of cloud computing on the Internet of Things? The compulsory after getting the information from the various resource IoT devices, compulsory just it want to store the data in cloud. So that is the cloud computing works to improve efficiency daily task in conjunction with the Internet of Things. The cloud computing is about providing a path for data to reach the destination, while the Internet of Things generate a huge amount of data. Next, according to Amazon Web Services, there are four benefits of cloud computing here. These are the four benefits. No need to pre-guess infrastructure capacity needs, saves money because you only need to pay those resources that you use. How much can you use? For that only you have to pay. That is the thing. Second point. And in few minutes, platform can be deployed around the world. Flexibility and speed in providing resources to developers. So these are the four benefits as the role of cloud computing with the on the Internet of Things. No need of pre-guess infrastructure capacity needs. Don't know, pre-guess is nothing but before just you store, no need to guess how much space you need, how much space it is available to store whatever, that is just it can ignore. So how much amount you want to store, you can store the data in the cloud. Save money because you only how much you use, for that only you have to pay. And platforms can deploy around the world. And flexibility speed provided, providing resources to developers. So these are the main role of cloud computing on the Internet of Things. So here, these are this combination the things here. Understanding IoT and cloud computing, the relationship between what is IoT and what is computing, and what are the real world applications by combining IoT and cloud computing, benefits of merging IoT and cloud technology, challenges in combining IoT and cloud technology, future trends in IoT and cloud computing. So by combining both IoT and Internet of Things, we have some benefits like these points. What is the first understanding the important introduction points, and relationship, real world applications, benefits, challenges, and future trends. Let's start with the key takeaways here. The Internet of Things and cloud computing are significant players in the evolving world of technology. Have you wondered how much smartwatch synchronous effectively with your cloud account? The powerful technologies have transformed how we live, work, and interact with our environment by enabling seamless connections between devices in a smart ecosystem. IoT is a network of connected devices to collect and share data, while cloud computing delivers computing resources and services on demand over the internet. These are the some applications. What are the applications? Including smart cities, healthcare, manufacturing, enhancing efficiency, productivity in various sectors. Like we have some applications. So these are the some key takeaways of understanding in the part of understanding and understanding of IoT and cloud computing. The next one, the relationship. The relationship, just it is here with in terms of 2 points here. The first one, in order to IoT data storage and managing the cloud. The second one, cloud computing as an IoT enabler. So here in the part of IoT data storage and management in the cloud, it is massive amount of data storage that generated daily. IoT devices like smart thermostat and fitness bands can be stored and managed in the cloud. For example, IoT devices sending data to the cloud can monitor and study a city's traffic patterns. It helps city planners find ways to reduce traffic congestion and improve city of life. Next, IoT enabler. It helps to by providing storage, computing power for IoT applications. The companies can store the data, remote servers accessed anytime, anywhere. It makes it easier for devices to stay connected, ensure real-time exchange of data. The example, cloud service providers like Amazon Web Server, Azure offer managed services for working with database or machine learning tools. So these are the the advantage: scalability, flexibility, and low cost also. So these are the 2 points of relationship between, to explain the relationship between IoT and cloud computing. Just you can explain with these two terms: the IoT data storage and management in the cloud. Just you can after collecting the data from the IoT devices, compulsory you need to store. After store, just you can manage the that in the cloud. Next, cloud computing as an IoT enabler. One of the enabling technology also, IoT enabling technology is cloud computing. So these are the relationship. Next one, these are the real world applications here. Smart cities, healthcare, agriculture, manufacturing, and retail information. So almost all domains we are using IoT. Smart cities, compulsory. Cities is nothing but how much space you need to save the parking area, how much area it will cover under the night lights, like that only. Smart cities, healthcare, medical department, compulsory in order to monitor the patient details or patient health conditions, like that is healthcare. And agriculture, just you can use nowadays we are using modern technologies used in the agriculture, like some tractors, advanced technology by using IoT. Next to manufacturing industry also we can use in retail, in retail, like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal. Like we are having some social media websites are available to purchase and sell the products. For that only we are using IoT also. So let's see one by one. In smart cities, IoT cloud computing are helping to build smart cities. That is okay. Cities can collect real time data about traffic. For example, if you want to go to some other area, so before going there, in fact, just you have to know the how much traffic there, whether it is high traffic or low traffic, depends on that situation. Just you can move from your home. That is the one of the advantage from the IoT devices. And pollution, how much pollution uh, uh, occurred in that area, particular area, energy use, and more through connected devices and cloud farms. So this is about smart cities. For example, real-time example, very important. Barcelona, it was IoT uses IoT and big data analytics to improve transportation system, reduction air pollution, sensor equipped traffic systems, and AWS cloud infrastructure work together, helping the city cut pollution and save money. This is the first advantage. And healthcare, medical, IoT and cloud computing technologies are changing the healthcare. Wearable devices like smart watches, smart ribbons, smart missions, patient health system, and the data securely stored in the cloud for analysis and treatment. The health risk can be spotted easily using machine learning and AI tools. To better treatment and low cost. So this is the second one. Next one, the third one, manufacturing industry also just we can use. IoT device and cloud computing are improving manufacturing process by monitoring machines in real time and using cloud-based data storage for efficiency and collaboration. Sensor data that to the cloud for analysis, helping manufacturing spot problems before they happen. The last one, but one, a real retail transformation also, upgrading the business. Customers have to better shopping experience with improved operations, inventory management, and logistics. So based on the end users or based on the customers only, the business may grow and grow up. So the in order to store that every habit of the customer, just you can use a retail transformation. Into retailers, it can collect the data, stock levels, customers' habits through the IoT device and cloud analytics, leading to faster decision making and better results. So, for example, in Amazon website, Amazon.com, so just if you want to see the one laptop, just you can search for one laptop if you want to purchase. So that is thing happen right now. But same time for tomorrow, you can when you open the Amazon website, so similar laptops or many similar products are appear on the automatically appear on the our screen. So that is the customer, based on the customer choice, they can act. They will display the more number of laptops available on the screen. So this is the retailer advantage of IoT habits through the IoT device and cloud analytics, so leading to faster decision making. So by that, just we are our decision will change, either increase or decrease in the more number of products and the online. The next one, benefits of merging IoT and cloud technology here. Benefits of integrating IoT and cloud technology are scalability and flexibility, easily scale resources and access data and applications from anywhere and anytime. Next, cost effectiveness, reduce infrastructure cost and improve operational efficiency through automated workflows. Next, better data security, strengthen data security with encryption protocols and access control policies. That is it can provide some security protocols to users and improve performance and reliability. Switch access to real-time data from actionable insights and uninterrupted connectivity. So these are the four types of benefits of merging IoT and cloud technology: scalability and flexibility, cost effectiveness, better data security, improved performance and reliability. So let's start with first one, scalability and flexibility and in IT infrastructure. We already know one significant advantage of combining IoT and cloud technology, scalability and flexibility. Businesses are today generate massive amounts of data through IoT devices. Based on the IoT device, just we are generating more and more huge amount of data, requiring a reliable to manage that. We have more resources we can use. So reliable robust system to manage this data effectively without causing downtime or delays. Businesses can quickly scale resources up or down using cloud solutions based on their needs. Cloud computing also offers more flexibility, allowing access to data applications from anywhere. So the companies can use as a service, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. So these are the three to easily access software tools and services. It might be challenging to manage in house due to cost constraint or technical limitations. So this is the first advantages. And the cost effectiveness. Merging of IoT and cloud computing can help business in save money. By using cloud-based solutions, companies can significantly reduce infrastructure cost, ensuring access to scalable data storage and analytic capabilities. It can track various metrics like energy consumption levels and temperature control system performance. They don't need to install any hardware or leading to cost saving benefits also. So this is the second advantage, cost effectiveness. The third one, better data security. It can provide some security protocols to user. By combining these two, companies must protect their valuable data from unauthorized access or hacking attempts. Encryption protocol by using transport layer. By using transport layer security, it can secure sensitive data transferred between the devices over the internet. So that is the main role of better data security. And improved performance and reliability. Cloud computing provides some scalable storage capacity and high speed access to the information, making data available when you need it. So this is the last one, improve data, improve performance and reliability. Next, challenges. What are the challenges we are going to face by combining both IoT and cloud technology? Data privacy is a concern. Risk of unauthorized access. It can provide unauthorized. It can prevent by unauthorized access only. It breaches when transferring sensitive information from IoT device to the cloud. And network latency issue. Number of packets can cross the overnet, so it delays in data transmission due to increased IoT device connectivity and a distance between device and cloud services. The last one, interoperability problem. Interoperability means what? Compulsory different device can combine with different remote or whatever. So, for example, in this room, the Panasonic AC available. That Panasonic AC, just we can operate with the MI phone, MI mobile. In mobile, there is a application that is remote application. So The Redmi company is different, Panasonic is different, Redmi is different, both are not same. But here the Panasonic AC you can operate with Redmi uh, remote application. So that is the possible with only interoperability communication. So that is also one of the issue that included in the challenges of IoT and cloud computing. So here differences in communication protocols, different protocols here, data formats and security standards between IoT devices and cloud computing resources. So what are the challenges? Data privacy concern. Integrating IoT and cloud computing raises data privacy concern. Transferring sensitive information from IoT devices to the cloud increases the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches. Cloud storage of IoT data needs proper security measures to prevent hacks. Unauthorized access to third-party data centers are more risk, primarily if they don't provide sufficient protection. So this is the first challenge, data privacy concern. Next one, network latency issue. Optimizing communication protocols between IoT device and the cloud can decrease latency in areas with the limited connectivity or bandwidth. Uh, Latency delays data transmission between the devices is a significant challenge in the cloud computing and the as more IoT devices connect to the internet, the data transmit data latency issue may rise. So based on the input device connected to the internet, the latency is nothing but number of data packets can transmit over the internet. This is the second one. The third one, interoperability problems, I already told. A key challenge in merging the issue arises due to differences communication protocols, data formats, and security. Different communication protocols, nothing but Panasonic AC and MI remote application. Like it can provide, it requires collaboration between the several industry stakeholders. It includes hardware manufacturers, software developers, and service providers and end users or customers. So these are the challenges faced by IoT cloud when combining with the IoT with cloud. Next one, future trends of IoT and cloud computing. Um, Edge computing, better security with joining AI and machine tool. uh, Machine tool, increased adoption of hybrid cloud solution, enhanced security measure, securing IoT. So here edge computing, fog computing, these are all different types of computing. Edge computing is a new technology that process analyze the data closer to its creation instead of sending all data to a central location. This help for IoT device. Just for example, edge computing cloud helps on intelligent city, research traffic flow, and prevent congestion using real-time data from sensors across the city. Next, better security with edge computing. Edge computing also improves security by controlling sensitive data away from central servers, which hackers could target. Next to AI, joining AI and machine learning. So here the just one device, it is normal device. It connected to the internet just to make IoT device, that is okay. After converting IoT device, it can join with AI and ML tools. So that is the transformation of technology from one level to second level to third level, like that. Normal device, IoT device, AI device, ML device, AI ML device, like that. The transformation of technology from normal device to another device. So here in the future, the IoT cloud computing will shaped by artificial intelligence, machine learning. That the trending is going away like that only. For example, AI will help the doctors to find easily signs of diseases by monitoring patients through smart watches and fitness band. By attaching the smartwatches and fitness band to the patient's body, automatically the entire information will go to the doctor. According to the information, the entire prescription will send to the patient phone. That is the trend. it's going in future. Next one, increase adoption of hybrid cloud solution. Hybrid cloud is nothing but it is the combination of either and private cloud and public cloud. Many organizations have recently started using hybrid cloud solutions, combining public and private clouds. By doing so, business can balance the need of data processing power, secure storage of sensitive information. Enhanced security measures, the last but one. So here, in order to provide essential for business these technologies here to improve security measures like encryption of data, disaster recovery plans, multi-factor authentication, monitoring and unauthorized access, network segmentation, physical security control. So these are the some security measures by combining IoT and cloud computing under enhanced security measure. This is the future trend. It is securing the IoT. Already secure. In terms of secure, just we can develop some more benefits. Companies should also be aware of potential threats coming from IoT devices. Business should use strong security practices in the cloud. It includes end-to-end encryption between connected devices, secure APIs, and trustworthy platforms as application development. Regular testing can also help find weakness before hackers can take advantages. So these are the some future trends of merging IoT and cloud computing. Very very important. Edge computing, better security with the edge computing. Joining AL with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Increase adoption of hybrid cloud solutions. The more just we can create more space to huge amount of data in the cloud. Enhanced security measure, we have different security measures like physical security control, network segmentation, monitoring and unauthorized access, multi-factor authentication, discovery, disaster discovery plans, encryption, like that. Securing the IoT, the last one. So these are the some questionnaires. How the questions are they are asking from this topic here. What is IoT? How does it connect with the cloud computing? Is IoT and cloud computing is safe? What skills do I need to work with IoT and cloud computing? How many skills? What is the difference between IoT and cloud computing? What is an example of using IoT device and cloud computing device? Does IoT requires cloud computing? What is the main role of cloud computing in storing of IoT data? So these are some questions they are asking in your exam. So these are some references I used for this lecture. Remaining continue with the next lecture, that is Raspberry Pi can interact with the IoT interface with the IoT device or communication protocols like SPI SPI serial program interface, IIC inter-integrated communication protocols. That will continue with next lecture. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.